Hi, I'm Nick with Clearway. PVC strip doors do a great job of separating areas for temperature control and energy savings, but eventually PVC strips will need to be replaced due to natural wear and tear that happens over time. Some common reasons for replacing PVC strips are scratches on the surface that limit visibility, or cracked or broken strips that allow air to go through the doorway. There are three options when replacing worn PVC strips: PVC bulk rolls, QuickStrip rolls, or individual PVC replacement strips. PVC bulk rolls are full-length rolls, normally 100 feet to 300 feet long, depending on the type of the strip. While this is the most economical way to buy PVC strip material, your time and effort will be required to cut the strips to length and prepare the holes at the top of the strip for mounting. Clearway offers a handy template kit to help mark the hole locations. QuickStrip rolls are also full-length rolls of PVC strips, but are pre-cut and pre-punched here at Clearway based on your specifications. When you order QuickStrip rolls, simply give us the length of the strips you need, and we will use our automated equipment to prepare the strips so they are perforated and ready to tear off the roll and be mounted in your doorway. Individual PVC replacement strips are also available. Simply order the exact number of strips you need and the style you need. This option allows you to buy the exact number of strips needed for your opening rather than a complete roll. Individual replacement strips are sold by the foot, and while this completely customized option is less economical than buying in bulk, it can often be a good idea when fewer strips are needed. All three of these options can be used with the complete range of flexible PVC products offered by Clearway, including all styles, colors, and sizes. For more information about when to replace worn PVC strips, reach out to us at info@clearwaydoor.com, or you can find us online at clearwaydoor.com.